In this video, we'll show you how to use Google Maps in Incognito mode on your Android device. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First, open the Google Maps application on your Android device. Assuming that you are already signed in your Google accounts, Google Maps generally access that account to store the location. Now, click on your Google profile icon displayed on the top right corner of the mobile screen to access the option panel. In the option panel, you will see the option displaying Turn on Incognito Mode. Click on that option and now you can access the Incognito mode for a quick Google Maps search. A prompt will show that tells you what information will not be saved for the session. You can confirm that the Incognito mode is on by seeing the black icon on the top right corner instead of your profile icon. A black bar also displays on the top with the message Incognito mode is on. Now you can freely search for what you want to eat or places to visit. To exit the Incognito mode, click on the black icon in the top right corner and click on Turn off Incognito mode on the prompt option. From there, you will be redirected to your profile account. There you have it, accessing Incognito mode on Google Maps is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV, for more videos like this.